Hi guys, Emily here in the KidRated Hub with another episode of KidRated Loves. This time I've been looking at Bonfire Night, which if you're not British, you probably won't know what it is. But if you are, then it means fireworks. So I've got my 5 best and 5 worst things about it. That massive bonfire keeps you toasty on a chilly November night. But no matter how you look at it, burning the guy is creepy. Everyone loves it when your super keen neighbour puts on an amazing display. Except, of course, your pets. It's the one night of the year where we collectively lose the power of speech.
Ooh. Ah.
But it's only meant to be for one night. Enough already. The food they serve is naughty but nice. And totally impossible to eat.
Oh my god! Ah.
One word. Sparklets! Which are both a bit rubbish and very dangerous. So that's everything from me. If you thought this video was funny, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to us, and we'd love to know what else you want us to talk about, so put your ideas in the comment box below. See you next time.